Welcome to the Hirose How-To videos on how to find tooling and crimping information for Hirose Wire board connectors. Tooling information is always found in the series catalog sheets. Let's look at the DF3 series. The first thing we do is select a contact based on the wire gauge we intend to use. Once we open the catalog sheets, scroll down to the contact selection chart. You will see a chart for related contacts to be used with an applicator and a chart for loose piece contacts. These are used with a hand tool. You will also see a chart on the UL style of wire that has been tested for usage with the respective contact. Note, other UL styles that have not been tested may work as well. Contact tech support for more information. Also note the outer insulation diameter. Note that the wire information in the catalog is general information. More details are provided in the crimp condition sheets. Scrolling down further in the catalog sheet will bring you to the chart of applicable crimping tools. You'll notice that one applicator or hand tool does not work for all contacts. Hirose applicators will only work with the Hirose press, CM-105C. There may be other applicators or other presses. Please contact tech support. Not only are the crimping tools options listed in the chart, but if there are any extraction or insertion tools, they will be listed here too. We've identified which contact we want to use. For example, DF3-2428SCF. Let's type that into the Hirose search box. You will see lots of helpful documents. The 2D drawing, the specs, product guidelines, which are usually the assembly guidelines. Scrolling further down, you'll see the crimp conditions and crimp quality standards. The crimp quality standards will provide strip length information along with other information that's common for all wire gauges. The crimp conditions, which are specific information per wire gauge, list the variety of wires that have been tested by Hirose. This provides specifications for the wire barrel crimp height and the insulation barrel crimp height. It also includes more detailed information regarding the specification for the wire to be used. In general, if your crimp meets the crimp conditions, you have a good crimp. If they do not, then you'll want to take a closer look at your applicator setup by using the crimp quality standards and applicator tool manual. In this case, the applicator is AP105-DF3-2428S. Let's go to that page on the Hirose website. On this page, you'll find the applicator tool manual and the replacement parts list. This provides all sorts of rich information about setting up the tool, crimp process, what to look for if the crimp is not coming out properly, how to adjust the crimp height, and maintenance instructions. Now let's go back and search for the hand tool, DF3-TA2428HC. Here you will find some specifications for the hand tool and the hand tool instruction manual. The manual lists things to keep in mind when using a hand tool. Note that the crimp height cannot be adjusted on the hand tool. Like the applicator, the hand tool manual provides the standards for an acceptable crimp. It also provides examples of a defective crimp and suggested adjustments needed to improve the crimp. Often there will be assembly instructions for how to properly insert the crimped wire into the connector housing. That about wraps it up. Thank you for joining us. Please feel free to contact Hirose's technical support team if you have any questions. Happy crimping!